I spent 10 years in the military, and I was a military police officer. I went to Iraq a few times, got banged up, the usual, explosions and concussions, stuff that you don't really think about while you're doing it. You just do it. I was told I can't be a soldier anymore. I wasn't strong anymore, but I didn't know how to be anything else. I didn't know what else to do. I didn't know who I was anymore. I wasn't a soldier. That kind of crushed me. I would look into my daughter's little eyes, and all I knew is I could not fail her. I did what every other soldier does. I started looking for a job. And one day, a buddy of mine came up to me and he said, "Hey, you're a motorcycle tech. I need a motorcycle tech." And I said, "Yeah, but I'm disabled. I couldn't hang with the big guys." He said, "That's fine. I have a small shop." So I worked there for a while, but I just wasn't fast enough. The work needed to be done, and I couldn't keep up. So after I left that job, I started talking to my friends, and my friends said, "Well, what do you want to do?" And I said, "I want to help people." So I met with this counselor. He goes through my file, and what he tells me after looking through my medical records is some people just need to, realize that they're disabled. I couldn't be a lot of things, and that's just what I kept being told. All I saw was just my world falling apart. All I was being told is that I was useless. And come to find out, there's a place called Adaptive Construction Solutions, and it's mostly staffed by veterans just like me. They were looking for a career development technician. So I applied. Something inside of me told me this was worth it. Take the time, give them the time. So I did. The most fulfilling part of this job is now I get to be the one that helps others. I get to be a part of a team who are out there trying to help other people who are down and out just like I was. I don't know how many times before I came to ACS, I've met a veteran who didn't really know what they wanted to do. They knew what they were good at, but they didn't know how to make that a civilian job. But if they come here, they have a chance. I didn't give up. I just kept looking. I kept researching. And ACS gave me a home. I honestly don't think I want to be anywhere else.